Hey guys, today I wanted to take a brief moment and introduce you to Clever, which is something that Cobb County provides for all students. And what you can do with this is it allows you to log in with your Cobb K-12 account and have all of your resources in one spot. So I'm going to go ahead and walk through this and show you how to log in. So you go to clever.com, then you log in as a student. So log in, search for your school. So of course you're going to look for Griffin Middle School. Okay. And then it's going to ask you to log in with an Active Directory. What this is your Office 365 account that you've got. So we're going to log in with Meredith's account. Okay. Just so I can show you. And when Clever opens, you can see her school. Okay, and then this is all of the stuff that she has available to her that her teacher has put into place. So she's got Newsela, she's got all of the Brain Pops. Now obviously yours is not going to look this way. Yours is going to look more like this. Okay, so this is my homeroom, and if I go to my page, which is what you'll be able to see, okay, here's all of your names over here. And you will be able to see what I add. So right now I have quizzes. I'm going to put Edmodo on here for you. Okay, because you are now going to be doing Edmodo. So Edmodo is here on your page. And I'm going to add a couple of other things for you just to kind of keep everything in one place. Now with stuff like quizzes, I was actually able just to create you your own account using your Cobb K-12. So if you go to Clever and you log in on my page with quizzes, then you should be taken to your own account and you shouldn't have to worry about signing in or anything like that. This is definitely a new tool that the county has opened, and I kind of want you guys to examine it and see how you feel about it, and let me know. We are going to be doing Edmodo as our hub. I wanted to show you these results as well. So out of 97 responses, 43% of you said that you wanted to use Edmodo. So that's just what we're going to go with. We're going to use Edmodo, and you can access it directly off of Clever. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will do my best to answer them. And I hope you guys have a good day.